In this video, I'm going to teach you how to become a tax-free millionaire. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Whiteboard Finance. My name is Marco and I'm here to help you master your money and build your wealth. If you're interested in personal finance, the stock market, real estate investing, or entrepreneurship, this is definitely the channel to subscribe to. Today, I'm going to teach you how to become a tax-free millionaire. We all want to become millionaires, well, unless you're already a billionaire, so I guess you don't want to go backwards, but I'd say the majority of people out there are not millionaires and they aspire to be. So a lot of people dream about being millionaires, but they think it's impossible. Au contraire, it's actually very simple to become a millionaire, so let's get into it. The two components to becoming a tax-free millionaire is one, a Roth IRA, two, compound interest, and three, well, you're a millionaire now. Congrats. So what is a Roth IRA? Let's take a look at this screenshot. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account allowing a person to set aside after-tax income up to a specified amount each year. Both earnings on the account and withdrawals after age 59 and a half are tax-free. So what is the second part to this equation? What is compound interest? Let's take a quick look at this definition. Compound interest is the addition of interest to the principal sum of a loan or deposit, or in other words, interest on top of interest. It is the result of reinvesting interest rather than paying it out, so that interest in the next period is then earned on the principal sum plus the previously accumulated interest. So what's so special about that? Let's take a look at an example because most of us are visual earners. This chart will blow your mind. You can see here that Susan, Bill, and Chris are all investors and they're saving for their retirement. So Susan invests $5,000 annually between the ages of 25 and 35. So that's 10 years. In total, she invests $50,000. Bill, on the other hand, invests $5,000 a year as well, except he's doing it between the ages of 35 and 65. That's 30 more years. So in total, he invests $150,000. Now Chris, he invests $5,000 annually between the ages of 25 and 45. That's a total of 40 years, and in total, he invests $200,000. As you can see, Chris only invested $150,000 more than Susan, and he has almost double the results. Same thing with Bill. Chris invested $50,000 more than Bill, and he more than doubled Bill's returns. The answer to this is because of compound interest. Are you kidding me? Do you see the difference now that time and compound interest together make? This person has over $1 million in their retirement account, and at the age of 59 and a half or greater, they can take that out tax-free. That is the power of the Roth IRA combined with compound interest. So you may be asking yourself, Marco, how do I do this myself? So it's very simple. The first step is actually opening up a Roth IRA. You can do this through any brokerage out there that supports a Roth IRA. I personally use Vanguard for this. The second step is Googling Roth IRA calculator and start playing around with the numbers for your specific situation, whether it's age, dollars invested per year, rate of return, etc., etc. So for example, if you're 18 and you want to retire a tax-free millionaire at age 60, you need to do this. So take a look at this screenshot, you guys. You would need to put away $337.75 a month if you wanted to become a millionaire by the age of 65. That's it. I just told you how to become a tax-free millionaire. Simple, right? I led you to the water. All you need to do is drink. However, the biggest barrier to all this it's you. And you know why it's you? Because you want to buy stuff that you don't need. You want to have the newest sneakers. You want to buy coffees every day instead of saving. You want to spend money on stupid shit. You like to keep up with the Joneses and comparing houses and cars and the latest gadgets and technology. You don't have the discipline to be able to put away X amount of dollars per year in order to almost guarantee that you'll be a millionaire. However, I hope that I'm completely wrong, and in fact, I want you to prove me wrong. I want you to be able to email me in 30, 40 years from now and say, hey, Marco, take a look at the screenshot of my bank account. It's got 2 commas, baby, and that's the goal of my channel. I made this channel because I want you to win, and I don't want you to be old eating cat food in your golden years. Your golden years should be the time that you enjoy life and you don't want to be a burden on anyone else, whether it's your children or grandchildren. You want to be able to give and eat wherever you want to eat and travel wherever you want to travel, but you need to start saving now. So ultimately, I challenge you to share this video with one person that you really care about, and I want you to get their feedback and post it in the comments below. They may make fun of you, they may think you're crazy, they may think I'm crazy, but at the end of the day, this is facts. It's just math and it works. Thank you so much and have a prosperous day.